National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over North Cape, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Reno Beach,